Cell, a basic study in biology. All organisms, including ourselves, are made of microscopic cells. These cells perform activities which contribute to the overall tasks of an individual. It is also to note that every organism starts its life as a single cell. The same cell undergoes repeated divisions to give rise to a large mass of cells. Further, the cells get specialized for various tasks such as those of giving support, producing digestive enzymes and carrying out photosynthesis. Some of the main points about cells are as follows. All living beings are made up of cells. The cell is the structural and functional unit of the body. All living beings develop from a pre-existing cell. Let's see how numerous the cells are. Do you know, larger an organism, greater the number of cells in its body? There are three types of cells. One single-celled. Many small organisms are made up of just one single cell. Examples: bacteria, yeast, and amoeba. Two few-celled. Some very small organisms are made up of just a few hundred or a few thousand cells. Examples: Spirogyra, volvox. Three multi-celled. Most plants and animals we see around are made up of millions and billions of cells. Examples: humans, mango. Now let's know how small the cells are. Cells are very small and can be seen only with a microscope. Smallest cells are certain bacteria, red blood cells in the human body, etc. Longest cells are the nerve cells. And largest cells are the bird's eggs, actually the central yellow sphere. Ostrich egg, before development begins in it, is the largest single cell of the living world today. Do you know? An average-sized adult human constitutes approximately 1,000 million cells in the whole body, 10,000 million nerve cells in the brain cortex, 25 million red blood cells, 30,000 million white blood cells. Let's study about cell shapes. Different shapes of cells are often related to the different functions they perform. Human red blood cells are circular and biconcave, for easy passage through blood capillaries and to transport oxygen. White blood cells are amoeboid, amoeba-like movement, with pseudopodia, that can squeeze out through capillary walls. Nerve cells are long to conduct impulse from distant parts of the body to the brain and vice versa. Guard cells of stomatal pore in the leaves are bean-shaped to open and close it.